For homeowners in Carencro, Louisiana, keeping energy costs under control is a year-round priority. With hot, humid summers and occasional chilly winters, your home's doors play a bigger role in comfort and efficiency than you might realize. Outdated or poorly sealed doors can leak air, drive up energy bills, and make your HVAC system work harder than necessary. Replacing them with modern, energy-efficient designs can make a significant difference in both comfort and cost savings. Why old doors drain energy over time? Doors naturally lose their ability to perform as intended. Materials may warp, seals deteriorate, and gaps form around the frame, all of which allow conditioned air to escape and outside air to seep in. This not only affects indoor comfort but also forces heating and cooling systems to work overtime. Some common signs of energy loss from old doors include drafts near the edges or bottom of the door, noticeable temperature differences between rooms, rising utility bills despite no change in usage, condensation buildup or visible light shining through gaps. In Carencro's climate, these problems can be especially costly, particularly during peak cooling months. Modern doors designed for efficiency. Today's replacement doors are engineered with features that maximize energy performance. By choosing the right door, homeowners can significantly reduce wasted energy while enhancing the overall look of their homes. Insulated materials. Most modern doors are built with cores made of foam insulation, steel, or fiberglass. These materials dramatically reduce heat transfer compared to older wood-only doors. Low-E glass inserts for doors with decorative or full glass panels. Low-E, low emissivity coatings reflect heat and harmful UV rays while still allowing natural light inside. This keeps homes cooler in summer and warmer in winter. Improved weather stripping. New door systems come with advanced weather stripping that creates a tight seal, blocking drafts and moisture intrusion. Multi-point locking systems. These not only enhance security but also pull the door snugly into the frame, minimizing air leakage. Energy efficiency benefits for Carencro homes. Replacing your doors with energy-efficient models offers several advantages beyond lower utility bills. Consistent indoor comfort. Eliminates hot and cold spots near entryways. Reduced strain on HVAC systems. With fewer air leaks, your heating and cooling units operate more efficiently, extending their lifespan. Noise reduction. Insulated doors also provide a quieter indoor environment by blocking outside noise. Moisture protection. Properly sealed doors prevent the damp Louisiana air from entering and causing humidity issues indoors. These benefits add up to a more comfortable, cost-effective home environment. Long-term value of door replacement. Energy-efficient door replacement is not just an immediate fix, it's an investment with long-term returns. Lower monthly bills. Savings accumulate year after year, especially during Carencro's hot summers. Increased resale value. Buyers are drawn to homes with modern upgrades that promise lower energy costs. Enhanced curb appeal. New doors improve your home's exterior appearance, boosting overall property value. By upgrading now, you ensure ongoing benefits that last well into the future. The importance of professional installation. Even the most advanced energy-efficient door won't deliver results if it's poorly installed. Gaps, misalignment, or improper sealing can undermine performance. That's why partnering with a professional installer is key. Local Carencro experts understand how the region's humidity and seasonal changes affect door performance. With precision installation, they'll ensure your new door fits perfectly, seals tightly, and complies with local building standards. Final thoughts for Carencro homeowners. Replacing old, drafty doors with modern, energy-efficient options is one of the smartest upgrades you can make. From insulated cores and low-E glass to advanced weather stripping, today's doors are designed to keep your home comfortable while lowering energy costs. By combining stylish designs with proven performance, new doors provide beauty, efficiency, and value, all while helping your family enjoy a healthier, more comfortable home. With professional installation, your investment will pay off in both savings and peace of mind for years to come.